Come into the water. Come on. Take my hand and jump in. Ow! Did you seriously just do that? Damn it all, that stings. You'll never have an opportunity like this again. Do not allow fear to shackle you. Come into the water. Congratulations. You denied me 3 times. By our laws, I must now grant you a boon of your choosing. How does it make life bearable? Try it. How would I know it won't hurt me? All right, if you say so. Oh, that tastes putrid. Are you laughing at me? You drugged me. No, release me, human. Please. You don't know what you're doing. What's happened? I can't feel my tail. What's wrong? Are you hurt? What's going on? What's happening to you? Good God. Is that? Damn it! That's a hunter's dart! Go! Run! No! Hey! Come on! Get up! No! You're welcome. I'll be back. You would do well to watch your tone, kitten. I could end you with a thought. Oh, did that hurt? You will recover, possibly. Crazy or justified? It is because I say it! You pathetic mongrel. You still believe you are morally clean.